Welcome to our tutorial on variables, data types, and type conversion in Python. First up, we'll dive into what variables are and how they're used in Python. Next, we'll explore the different data types you can use, numeric like integers and floats, strings for text, and booleans for true or false values. Then, we'll talk about why type conversion is important and how to convert between these different types. To solidify your understanding, we'll go through some hands-on coding examples together. Let's get started. Hey there! Welcome back to our Python coding journey. Today we're diving into the world of variables. So what exactly is a variable? Well, think of it as a label for a box in your computer's memory. You can stuff all sorts of things inside these boxes: numbers, words, even complex data structures. Variables are super handy because they let you save and play with this information throughout your program. For example, if you want to keep track of the user's score or store a piece of text, variables make it easy. They're like your own personal storage system in the world of coding. Ready to see how they work? Let's get started. Welcome to our journey through the world of data types in Python. Today, we're focusing on numeric data types. First up, integers, int. These are whole numbers, positive or negative like -5, 7, or 100. Next, floating point numbers, float, which include decimals. For example, 3.14 for pi, or even just a simple decimal point like 25.0. Lastly, we have complex numbers used when you need to do math with imaginary parts. A real-life example could be calculating electrical engineering problems involving AC circuits. Remember, these data types are crucial in Python programming, helping us handle and manipulate various kinds of numerical data effectively. Let's explore string data types in Python in detail.